Yo, what's up guys? Ken Lau here of Autobot Off-Road, and of course today I'm with Lexter Chi. Yes! So, welcome back. So guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Ngayon na lang kami gumawa ng vlog ulit. But we are excited for today. Before that, may papakita lang kami sa inyo. Meron dito Tiny Titan. Di ba? Ito, big hindi to tiny. Pero ito tiny. So, we are excited for that one. Alam namin, itong Tiny Titan na cute na to, maraming pwedeng gawin dyan. At let's see kung anong mags and tires ang pwede dyan. Pero hindi yan yung main event natin ngayon Ito, dami ngayon na problema about the pagtaas nung gasolina, diesel. So, itong sasakyan na to, ito yung isang sasakyan na gugustuhin mo ginagamit ngayon kasi it's an HEV, hybrid electric vehicle, Toyota Alphard. It's a gasoline engine, hybrid siya, kahit papaano may electric motor, mas mataas yung range niya compared to regular diesel or gas engine. Diba bro, ikaw, balak ko, kukuha ka ng BF3, no?
BF3.
So, ngayon, maraming nagko-consider mag-HEV, PHV, o kaya yung BEV. So kung ano man yun dyan na mapipili nyo, for sure meron tayong setup para dyan. Pag-usapan natin, Dex, kung ano ba yung ginawa natin dito sa Toyota Alphard na to.
Hindi lang ito yung normal na Toyota Alphard kasi we did some body kits.
Body kits.
Din to. Then special na special tong kinabit.
Of course. Yun, yung body kits na kinabit natin, it's a wraparound kit. Modelista kit yan. Yan. As you can see in front, add-on chin lang siya. Pero guys, yung pinakamahirap dito, yung color matching.
Pearl white to
Pearl white yan. Ilang tests,
ilang revisions
ang ginawa natin just to get the perfect match of the color. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Wala naman imposible sa Autobot. So yun, kasama na rin yung mga chrome-plated na yan. It's a wraparound, may side cladding, even the door cladding kasama na yan. Tapos yung rear skirt niya, and then yung muffler tip. Pero
bro, ito talaga yung pinaka-paborito.
Yes.
Kasi normally, sa mga pickup SUV tayo nagto 20 inches. Pero this one is a 21-inch tire. Ay, 21-inch wheel.
Tama, 21-inch tire, 21-inch wheels.
Yes. Then the specs of this one is the Workzist ST1 21x9 5x120. Ang offset na to is ET34.
Yeah, saktong-sakto yung offset together with the size of the tires, which is the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV, the 235/45/21. Hindi siya lumabas, pantay na pantay lang siya. Although meron tayong konting
modification na ginawa.
modification ginagawa dito. Nag-customize tayo nung hub-centric ring together with the spacer kasi nag-upgrade din tayo ng big brake kit. Yes, big brake kit.
Big brake kit. Hindi lang front and rear to.
Yes, it's a 6-pot caliper for the front and a 4-pot caliper together with the e-brake. So, completely bolt-on, no errors, and computer scan. Nag-recalibrate din tayo ng brakes kaya wala kang poproblemahin dyan, at saka na ma-maximize natin yung power ng brakes. So, 380mm with 6-pot caliper. Laki diba? Pero yung spacing sa ginawa natin spacer, wala kang problemahin sa high-speed balancing, sa vibration, kasi saktong-sakto yung ginawa natin hub-centric for the wheels. Yun lang, simpleng-simple, pero hindi, meron pa pala tayong special dito. Ito guys, yung pinagmamalaki namin, it's a money back guarantee. Lalo-lalo na dito sa Toyota Alphard na pagka kinabit mo dito, maganda na yung ride ng Alphard pero pag kinabit mo yan dito, sure, mas gaganda. Lalo-lalo na sa mga naka-Alphard dyan na naka 20 inches, 21, 22, medyo natatagtagan kayo. Tsaka ramdam nyo yung mga uneven roads. Ito yung solution.
Not only Alphard.
Not only Alphard.
Grandia Elite, Grandia Staria. Starex.
Tama. Pero specific this Alphard, bro, money back guarantee talaga. At saka hindi lang yun. Renap natin pa to ng 0.5 inches. Kaya as you can see, yung stance, harap likod, maganda yung tindig niyan. Saktong-sakto lang yung size ng tires, which is the Propender Fit Series. So ito yung unang Alphard na kinabitan natin, and for sure after this one, maraming magpapakabit at maraming matutuwa about this suspension. So it's a suspension of front and rear, adjustable, the 2 years warranty and a lifetime rebuildable. So pwedeng-pwede natin i-adjust yung damping according to your lifestyle or kung ano man ride yung gusto mo. Yeah, yan. Tingnan nyo. Magsawa kayo sa itsura niyan. For sure, magugustuhan niyo yan. Then, by the way, yung work wheels natin is made in Japan. At saka, ang gaan yan. It's a lightweight. 3-piece forged wheels yan.
Tingnan mo yung tingnan mo yung e-brake nyo. Integrated na yung e-brake at yung rear grills niya.
Tapos perfect combination with Michelin tires. Di ba? 8 years warranty. For sure. Baka luma na yung sasakyan, yung gulong mo hindi pa pudpud. So,
Pag binubuksan tong door, hindi yan sumasabit kasi
yeah.
offset.
Pero guys, promise, with the ride talagang sinubukan namin to yung before with this kind of wheel set. Tapos yung after nung nakabit natin yung suspension
series.
with this kind of wheel set. So kung gusto nyo i-test drive, pwede nyo patong puntahan dito kung nandito pa. Pero
Kukunin na rin kasi ng client.
yes, yun. That's it guys. Hope you like this build. If you want to have this or kung meron kayong gustong ipa-setup or ipagawa, you can visit us at our HQ.
Comment and send us a message.
So thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. Stay safe and God bless.
Autobot strong and
Fueled by God. Thank you.